The next plane of consciousness is the nirvanic plane of consciousness that is awaiting the humanity of the future. That is what is called the capability to know what happiness is, the qualification to experience happiness. And only those who have established in will can get the awakening of the nirvanic plane. It is a plane where the Deva kingdom of beings are working. The beings of the Deva kingdom are working. Just as we have the mineral kingdom, the plant kingdom, and the animal kingdom, and the human kingdom, and the better human kingdom in the plane of will, we have the next plane of consciousness called the Deva kingdom. That is those that are working in nature, the intelligences that are working in the various departments of nature, those that are conducting the chemistry of the various minerals, those that give us the heat and cold, those that make the light of the sun's rays, the heat of the sun's rays, the magnetism of the earth, and the magnetism of the various magnets on the earth, the attraction of the earth, and the earth's rotation around itself, and the earth's rotation around the sun, and the germination of the various fruits, germination of the various seeds into the various plants and trees, and the effects of the seasons on this earth, the functions of fertilization, fecundity, and childbirth. These are some of the functions in nature that are being conducted very regularly, and these functions require certain intelligences that are to work outside and inside our body also. For example, when we are breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide, when we do not know what chemistry is, there should be one intelligence inside who allows only oxygen to be taken in and carbon dioxide to be given out. Like that, the blood has its own chemical actions in respiration, and we are expected not to know all the functions of the blood, but the blood is conducting its own functions through respiration. It requires certain intelligences that are continuously working. While we are sleeping, the lungs are respiring and requires certain intelligences in the lungs working. And the heartbeat and the circulation of the blood is working out when we are sleeping. And the digestion and its functions are working while we are sleeping. They require millions and millions of departments and intelligences to work. And the seeds are germinating in the soil. Each seed requires a group of intelligences to germinate. Flowers are getting pollinated, and each flower requires a group of intelligences to get it pollinated. These groups of intelligences that are working within you and outside yourself, they are called the Deva kingdom of existences. And after reaching the plane of will, when you begin to live in the plane of the will, you are invited to cooperate with the Deva intelligences of nature. You will be given the knowledge of how to cooperate with the Deva kingdom and all the sciences that are operating in nature, so that you will know what to do and what not to do, and then you will begin to cooperate with the functions of nature. The how of it we will understand in our next lecture.